How TradeAider's WeGuarantee service works. TradeAider's skilled merchandisers meticulously display and summarize all order details. The production plan is collaboratively formulated and confirmed by manufacturers, TradeAider merchandisers, and the buyers. The real-time production status at factories is diligently tracked, inspected, and documented by TradeAider quality control personnel present on site. These updates are then seamlessly integrated into the WeGuarantee app by the merchandisers, offering a daily overview for buyers. TradeAider's QCs will be involved intensively throughout the entire production journey and initiate the quality guarantee work on site, the factories, the first day when the orders are placed. Every aspect of production will be strictly controlled by TradeAider teams and be transparent and continuously monitored in real time by buyers through the WeGuarantee app. This monitoring spans the entire production process, safeguarding against any last-minute surprises and ensuring the successful guarantee of the product quality.